Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Sofi's crypto price alerts and notification. So let's get straight into the video. The first step is to enable notifications, and you want to do this by opening the Sofi app on your mobile device and logging into your account. And then you want to tap on accounts or profile icon, and then select settings or preferences, and then you want to toggle on notifications or alerts. Now the second step is to set up crypto price alerts. Now the first you got to do is to navigate to the invest tab, and you want to select crypto from the menu, and then choose the cryptocurrency that you want to set up an alert for. Tap on the alerts or notification icon, and then set up your alert preferences, and that could include price thresholds or price movements, and also alert frequency, so you can set how you want to have that. And once that's done, your alert will be set up. So the third step, of course, is to customize your alerts. The first thing you need to do is to choose the type of alert that you want to receive. So after you choose that from the options above, that could be price movement news or market updates. You can also set up custom alert messages or notifications, and then you can select the notification channel which you prefer. That could be a push notification, email, or SMS. Now when it comes to managing your alerts, you want to view and manage your active alerts in the Sofi mobile app. You could also edit or delete existing alerts as needed, or you could also just add new alerts for different cryptocurrencies or market conditions and such. Now there are some different types of crypto price alerts. As we said before, the first is price threshold alerts, where you receive notifications when a cryptocurrency reaches a specific price threshold. Now the second, of course, is price movement alerts. Now here you receive notifications when a cryptocurrency experiences a significant price increase, for instance a 5% increase or even a 5% decrease. Once there's such a change, you're going to receive that alert for price movement. Now of course the third is market update alerts. So you receive notifications about market trends, news, and updates and the likes. So there are benefits to using Sofi's crypto price alerts. The first of which is to help you stay informed. So you stay up to date with market movements and trends, and of course you can make more informed decisions. So you gotta receive timely notifications to help you make informed investment decisions. Of course, you can also use it to customize your experience. So you gotta tailor your alerts to fit your investment strategies and preferences. So that's pretty useful. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, because that helps us out a lot. Please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.